Welcome to this step-by-step guide on 5 Marla house construction in Pakistan for 2024 to 2026. This video will walk you through the entire process, from planning to finishing. The 5 Marla plot, typically 25 by 50 feet, is highly sought after in urban centers like Lahore and Islamabad. It's ideal for double-story houses, offering 3 to 4 bedrooms. Our objective is to maximize space efficiency while maintaining high construction standards. Strategic planning starts with budgeting. The estimated total construction cost ranges from 9.0 M to 11 million Pakistani rupees. Remember to secure all necessary permits, allocate a 10% contingency fund, and hire a professional architect to ensure structural stability. Smart architectural design focuses on space maximization. We aim for 3 to 4 bedrooms with attached baths, a functional kitchen, and good natural light using large windows and open-to-sky ducts. Modern elevation trends favor minimalist aesthetics and clean geometric lines. The foundation phase involves 4 key steps. This includes site clearing and marking, excavation based on soil tests, mandatory termite treatment, and finally, foundation laying with plain cement concrete and damp-proof course installation. Essential materials include 50,000 to 55,000 A-class bricks, 500 to 600 bags of OPC cement, and 3 to 4 tons of 60-grade deformed steel bars. Remember, these quantities are estimates for a standard double-story 5 Marla house. Structural work involves high-quality brickwork with precise mortar ratios for load-bearing walls, reinforced concrete lintels and beams to support openings, and expert steel binding for the roof slab. The structural integrity depends on the precision of the gray structure phase. Plumbing and electrical work is the backbone of your modern home. Utilize concealed PPRC piping for water and mandatory pressure tests to prevent leaks. For electricals, install 99.9% pure copper cables and strategically place AC points and high-amp sockets for safety. For flooring, porcelain tiles are a popular choice, while marble remains a high-value classic. Ensure proper floor leveling and grouting to prevent water seepage. Roofing solutions require heat-resistant tiles, bitumen waterproofing, and a proper Kura drainage design. Finishing work involves smooth internal plastering with emulsion or matte paint and durable weather shield external finishing. Woodwork should feature solid wood doors and UV, acrylic, or tactile sheets for kitchen cabinets. For windows, use high-grade aluminum frames and 5 mm tempered glass. Quality assurance is critical. Regularly test materials like bricks and cement before use. Inspect structural elements like steel binding and concrete mix ratios. For leakage prevention, conduct pressure tests on all plumbing and waterproofing areas. A pro tip is to hire a dedicated supervisor. Final cost control recommendations include purchasing materials in bulk to lock in prices and strictly monitoring labor to minimize waste. Also, avoid starting major concrete work during peak monsoon or extreme winter. Remember, build smart, build strong.